Hi, this is Ms. Cox, and today I'm going to show you how to create documents in Google Drive and also share them. So what you need to do is go up to the Drive option when you're in your inbox, and it'll open up a new tab to your Google Drive. Now over here you'll see you have a My Drive option. You also have Shared with Me, so any documents that are shared with you will appear there. That's really all you need to know. And over here, you'll see there's a Create option. This is how you create documents in Google Drive. So I'm going to just create a normal document. It's like a Microsoft Word document. And I can type in here, maybe it's a report, and I'll type Ms. Cox's wonderful essay. Okay. So one great thing is you have all these formatting options up here. I can bold, I can change fonts. You can also customize fonts in here by going to more fonts. There's, I think, hundreds or thousands of fonts that you can add. You have all sorts of alignment options over here as well as line spacing. You can add hyperlinks. You can actually add comments as well. So if you're working on someone else's paper and trying to give them feedback, you can actually select the text you want to give feedback on and click this Insert Comment button. And maybe I want to give a comment that this is not the greatest title. And I can leave that comment, and then I can give that comment to a peer that I am peer editing. So that's an option. You have lots of different options up here as well. But it's also very important that you can share documents, because if you're doing any peer editing, so you can give comments and feedback to your peers, you will want to be able to share your document with them. Also, you might want to put a title on this, so wonderful essay. I'll do that. So now I have a title. I'm going to go up here to share. Right now, if I scroll over that, it says private to only me, which means only I can access it right now. So right now I have not shared this document with anyone else. I'm going to go to share, and you have lots of sharing options. So one thing, the easiest thing to do is if you have people you know, like you have certain classmates you're supposed to share a document with so they can edit it and give you feedback, what you'd want to do is type in their email addresses. So let's say I want to share this with myself. My email is mscoxtech@gmail.com. And over here, after I've written in the email addresses, and maybe there's another one, I've got another one called acox123@student.green.org. Once I've typed in the emails of the people I want to invite, I go over here, and you want to decide which options you want to give that person. Do you want to let them edit? Do you want to let them just comment or just view? If you're letting your peers peer edit, you should talk to your teacher about whether or not you want them to actually be able to edit or just comment on your document. Oftentimes you may just want them to be able to comment on your document so you can get feedback, but they can't delete anything or accidentally do anything else to your paper. And down here, this checkbox will notify people via email, which means that they'll get an email message from you saying, hey, I shared this document with you. So this is what you'd want to do, and then you go to Save and Share, and it will basically send an immediate message to those people saying, hey, I shared this document with you. Now, there is another option up here. You can have a link to share. Now, right now it says only accessible to collaborators, which means if I copy and paste this link to an email message to share the document with someone else, if their email is not down here in the invited people, and let's say, I'll show you what it looks like. Let's see. I'll show you what it looks like. Here you'll see the other editors pop up. And the thing is, it says right now it's only accessible to collaborators. So here's the thing. Let's say you want to send this link to somebody else that's not a collaborator, and you want to give them access to edit, like your teacher, for example. What you want to do is go to the Who Has Access section here, and right now it says private, only the people listed below can access. I'm going to go to Change, and I'm going to go to anyone with link can access. So basically, anybody that has this link can go and access the document, and I can change it to View, hey, I only want people to be able to view it, only want people to comment or edit. So for example, if you're sending this link to your teacher, you probably want to go to Can Edit and then go to Save. Then you could copy and paste this link into an email to your teacher, into sometimes teachers will have surveys where you have to copy and paste the link in to share your document. So those are your different options for sharing. You can share with a link, or you can share by typing in emails. The key is, if you share with a link, you need to make sure you change the setting here to whichever one you want. So anyone with link, and then make sure you change the access to the option you would like. And that's it. So good luck. Hopefully this helps you with your sharing and creating and editing of documents.